Okay, I got the dash off. It wasn't that bad. There's only 3 bolts on each side and a few on top. So, near as I can tell, no water got up into the controls up here where the instrument cluster is. So it was all pretty dry. The connectors are dry. Everything in there seems pretty dry. So yeah, it's pretty easy to take this out. So it helps if you have somebody to help you. And then just, I gotta do is unhook connectors. Alright. Check all your connectors, make sure they're all not corroded. And then the truck, right? Yeah, I highly suggest taking the door off. Take the passenger door off. So there's 2 bolts here, 1 down there. Same with this other side over there. There's 3 over there, and then somebody left some candy up there, some rockets. And then you just got these here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. And I got, right, you just unhook your connectors, have a hand, take it out. Okay, this matting down here is full of water, so I need to get this off because this got underwater. This one here got underwater. This one's dry, and this one's dry. So those two stayed dry. Those 2 got wet. There's water up here, see? And it's been 48 hours or day 2. This is the 3rd day. So this is 3 days ago I sunk this thing. And yesterday I got it out, got it towed home, and today, so day 3. And the corrosion's kicking in hard. So like this here is still wet. There's water down in here. Corrosion up there, but all in all, this it's not that bad, man. Like, for working on it, like, I thought it'd be way worse. Like, I thought this was like a complete write-off. Let's just not even worry about this thing. No, man. They built this truck simple. It's pretty simple. So we will continue on the journey. So if you want to pull out your dash, do it. It's not that bad. It's a lot easier than you might think.